Hello everyone, I'm Peter, CEO of Global Firetool. In this video, we will talk about another kind of hinges, electrified hinges. So what is electrified hinge? Luckily, we have a brochure here also demonstrate what is electrified hinges. Basically, you can see wire going through the hinges. So the electrified hinge is the ideal way to pass low voltage power and or signal from the hinge jump, which means the next to the wall, the jump, and to the leaf, which means the door leaf. So it is being used to control the lock set, the locks, or monitoring some devices or control some devices. But the wire will be hidden. So here says without any exposed wire. So it's hidden. And they have two different kind of item code. One is EH, the other is EMH, which means electrified hinges. They can be many wires, 2 wires up to 12 wires. And also EMH is electrified monitoring hinges, which can monitoring the door closed or not. Personally, I do see these hinges, but personally I think nowadays we have more advanced locks which will use Wi-Fi or Bluetooth to control the information. But of course, with wire, I think maybe it's more stable because the hotel maybe need more security. So that's electrified hinges, just normal hinges with wires inside.